Good morning, class 6. How are you? I hope you all are fine. This is your maths lecture. Book is New Countdown, second edition. Today is Tuesday, 22nd December 2020. Our topic is financial arithmetic. Today we will do exercise number 7B, question number 2 and 3. You will do these both question on your notebook. Student, we have started exercise number 7B. It is about percentage. The word percent is a short form of the Latin word percentium, meaning hundreds or for every hundred. Means in percentage is a special kind of fraction in which always has a denominator of 100. Percent means the ratio of the given number to 100. The symbol percentage is used to denote percentage. Okay, let us revise something. 100% is equals to 100 over 100, which is equals to 1. 1% means 1 over 100. 10% means 10 over 100. 200 means 200 over 100. 50% means 50 over 100. Today we will do exercise number 7B, question number 2 and 3, in which we learn that how to change a fraction into percentage and what is the meaning of rate percent. Before that, remember that the value of percentage sign is 1 over 100. Before starting your work, you will write proper date CW. You will draw margin line at both sides using any color. Then you will draw today's date, Tuesday 22nd December 2020. After that you will write topic financial arithmetic, exercise number 7B, page number 103. Question number 2, convert the following. First part is convert the following into percentages. Okay, student, uh, to convert a fraction or a number into percentage, we just need to multiply it by 100. So we will start our solution. They have given you a fraction which is 1 over 5. So we will start solution. Okay, students, 1 over 5 change into percentage, we will multiply it by 100% because in percentage we talk about 100 or out of 100. So what will we do? We will do simple cutting. 1 over 5 multiply by 100%. Now you know that a number which has 0 and 5 in the unit place, it cut by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. So 20 ones are 20. 20% is your answer. It is easy na? Let's see another part. Now, second part is 2 over 25. Students' procedure is same. You will just multiply it. 2 over 25 multiply by 100%. Right? So, again we can cancel it using 5 table, because we know that if the last number is 5 or 0, it definitely comes in 5 table. 5 5s are 25, 5 20s are 100. Now we can do further cutting. 2 over 5 multiply by 20%. Still we can do cutting. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So 2 fours are 8. 8% is our answer. Next is 4.2. We will write 4.2 multiply by 100%. Here, student, we can remove the point. In next step, we can easily remove the point. 4.2 multiply by 100% as it is. Now you can remove the point. When we remove the point, we place 1 and there is one number after point, so we will place 0. Here we can easily cut 10 and 100. So 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. 42 into 10 is equals to 420%. That's all. Okay, students, I have done question number 2, part 1, 2 and 5. You will do 3 and 4 parts by yourself. In 3 parts, you will multiply it by 100%. So 51s are 50, 52s are 100, and then you will multiply and you will easily get the answer. In 4th part, you will remove the point. It will have 35 over 100. Multiply by 100%. 100 to 100 cancel. So 35% will be your answer. That's all. Let's start question number 3. Question number 3 is find the rate percent in each case. So it is just percent. It means they are definitely talk about 100. First of all, we will find rate, then we will consider it out of, we will find rate out of 100. Okay, student, this is just like marks, like you got 7 out of 28 marks. Means total marks were 28 and you got 7. Or 9 out of 10, it means you got 9 marks out of 10. Total marks were 10. So, first of all, we will write 7 out of 28. Now percent means we have to find it in percentage. We will write its answer in percentage form. So it is just like question number 2. We will just multiply it by 100%. Before that, you can do cutting if it is possible. Students, you know that 28 and 100 both are even numbers, so they will occur in two table. So we will cut it with 2. 2 14s are and 2 50s are. Here also more cutting is possible because still 14 and 50 are even numbers. So we will do further cutting. 2 7s are 14. 2 25s are 50. You can do division if you have any problem. Still 7 and 7 can be cut. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. So 25% is your answer. Or if you don't want to write that cutting procedure, you can just write 7 over 28 multiply by 100. These both numbers are even and they are dividing by 2. After dividing it by 2, we get 2 14s are 28, 2 50s are 100. Now again dividing by 2, we get 7. 2 sevens are 14, 2 25s are 50. Again dividing by 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So it is 1 over 1 into 25%. So 25% will be your answer. Both methods are right. You can adopt any one. Okay, number second is 20 grams out of 50 grams. Means we have 20 grams and total grams were 50. Then we will multiply it by 100%. Through simple cutting we can solve it. Now on dividing it by 2, we have 51s are 50, 52s are 100. So 220 multiplied by 2% is equals to 40% is our answer. Now let's see part number 3. Now third part is rupees 60 out of rupees 150. So it means rupees 60 divided by 150 multiply by 100. So on dividing it by 10 we get rupees 60 out of 15 multiply by 10%. 10 15s are 150 and 10 10s are 100. At a time we all three numbers are cutting by 10, but at a time we can cut only two numbers, right? So further cutting is possible. As you can see that again dividing it by 5 we get, we will remain 60 as it is. So 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are 10. Now dividing it by 3. Now we will do cutting of 60. 3 ones are 3, 3 20s are, so 20, don't forget to write percentage sign, right? Multiply by 2. Look student, 3 ones are 3, 3 20s are 60, so 20 into 2%. So 40% will be your answer. So dear students, we have done question number 2, part 1, 2 and 5, and you will do part 3 and 4 by yourself. Then we have done question number 3, part 1, 2, 3. We will do rest of the 2 parts by yourself. We will do rest of the parts tomorrow, inshallah. That's all for today. If you have any problem, then you can ask in the comment box.